Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log into Cash App using your phone or email. So if Cash App won't let you in, do this. First of all, open Cash App and then tap login. After you tap login, go ahead and enter your phone number or email. If you have entered your phone, go ahead and open your SMS. If it's not there, open your WhatsApp, it will be there. Next, if you have entered email, open your Gmail. See if your Cash App email is there. If you do not find it there, scroll down, click on the spam. See if it's there, check your trash as well. It might sometimes appear there if it glitches. Then enter the code into the page. After you enter your code, go ahead and confirm your device. Then next you're going to set or enter your safety pin. Make sure to set your pin a strong password which is not easily guessable and people won't have access to your data, and that's it. Safety tip: never share your login code with anyone. Quick fix: use the email login if phone number login fails. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.